unique, let's take a ride. Join the fun, let's enjoy the time. Cooking, laughing, dancing with glee. This is the place where we all can be free. So hit that subscribe, don't miss a thing. With vibes so good, let your heart sing.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. If you're not a subscriber, welcome to the food, the fun, the family, and the vibe. I hope you guys are having an amazing day today. Make today count. Make today all about you. Be selfish. It's okay. Guys, so I'm doing the voiceover for this vlog because I accidentally deleted the original voiceover. So yeah, we're starting off cooking this pasta on this 4th of July. So you guys stay tuned, enjoy this vlog, and yeah, like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know, so I forgot to start the catering for Rasta Pasta because hot. Because I'm take my fair Rasta Pasta lady, my dear. I don't have catering pots, so excuse my hair. I'm doing my hair. So me lay down my wig, my glue, just glue on the lace front, and I'm just I melt it now. Anyways, not melt it, but process it, whatever I wanna call that, because I'm not a hairdresser. Hello. Anyway, let me show you. Alright, so this is the Rasta. This is the Rasta. And this time I put a lot of vegetable in there. Yum. Alright. So now I'm gonna add the cheeses. I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese. This is optional, and you can put any cheese you want to put in there. I like the white cheddar cheese, so I'm gonna put some of this and some mozzarella cheese too as well. Earlier on, I put for seasoning, I put jerk seasoning, some chicken seasoning, Maggi, some all-purpose Maggi. These seasoning, you really need these seasoning. If you not have them seasoning there, you're not gonna get the real Rasta pasta taste. Unless you have some good nice seasoning where you know? See the color of that? Say it creamy. Imagine I'm gonna put the jaja. Taste it. Yo, the food are bad. This body. Oh, it bad so. I know them ever bother me, my dear. Put my foot in that one, yeah. I step in that one, yeah. The baddest Rasta pasta this. Feel like to eat some? No. Alright, so usually if I had a bigger pot, I would have put the pasta in there at this point, but I don't have a bigger pot, so I have to do it separate. So I'm gonna, as you can see, I put the pasta in the bowl, in the container. So this done, you know. This done. Alright, so that's should. So let me show you how I'm gonna do this. The process a little faster, but I never really want to make a mess. So show half it in this. Okay. And half it in that one, even though the pasta not in there yet. So half. And then it just like combine everything. Ooh, Jesus. I'm making a mess.
Full of Louis V shoes, so that not one. That is around one man, but me and that is around.
She said, man, and income from Spain, but see if you say a brown man, I'm gonna play. Y'all buy come, it's a cake, man, still a dance again. It's a dance land, take for your girl, now sit on a land. Design your piece from the ship from Milan. Presidential like try arrest, when I glad, still pass it up. Tell her, hotter than the grill, pan it, man. Make a better than tea party rock. So she would have to be to the north, pussy man. The road boy, set him free. Him rich and him deep, have a baby shit. I hope you know I dance, you left with me. I'm here, get it, I make a rest in peace. So girl, go to the rock, deep, tell me.
She would jump troops, do anything when you tolerable language. Man, I'm for what I got, and every dollar I find like that. She might give me like the gas, yes, but a regular she may make it. Enemy, so anyone, this to me and the tears of
Wouldn't believe I lost the race again, but I'm coming again cause I just gotta get it. Cause I'm trying to get to you. It's the lose I feel. Wouldn't believe they won't be again. Cause I'm trying to get to you. Oh, I shall not let us, but we don't keep back on the man. Yes, it's all you. We'll sing those things
I'm never with more down. I'm never with friends. I hate you. Somehow because I still love you. Have it on me. Don't
Y'all remember me, the mad girl, there in Canada? Yeah, a my season, cancer season, and we shut it down all month. I don't know how, what call her? I don't know what call her on the channel, but I don't know they should have this plan. So we're gonna do the thing. Very appreciate. I don't know what wanna call my cousin, so I say my cousin. Like I said that, because I don't know what to call her for real. I watch the channel, but I forget what to call her. You know, I'm in a drunk, promise. Yeah, but she meet me. I very much appreciate her. And you see, when I touch my first million, I'll get 700,000 and me left a tree. Right through. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ashami. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Arlene disappear. Arlene disappear.
You hear what you said? When I pop one more, I'm gonna disappear for the rest of the night.
Watch out. Oh, we are on,
My husband doing.
Conquer your fear. Conquer your fear. Oh, them one that too. Wait, would he have that? We never have that one. I know. Wait, hey, would he have that? Oh, under. Oh, yeah.
Got that bathroom. Oh, there's a car coming, car. Move it. Yeah, man. Guess why? On my finger.
Because the light is.
Jesus Christ, brother.
So to play that.
She said, take it easy, I will do the go. You don't have to wind up yourself. You don't have to wind up yourself. She said, take it easy, I will do the go. You don't have to. You don't have to. Push back. Push back.
You know what you want that. You know you want that. You know you want that. That. Give me that stuff. Hey, give me that stuff. No, come on, give me a plug of that. I'll get the trick for that. You know you want that. Come on, dance. That's what I know. Hey, 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 hey.
No.
What a hot dog! How much you eat? Oh my God! Where? One. One, two, three. You.
Jaja. You better split it though. Just split it though. Ready? I won. No, you cheat. Me win. Game over. So quick. Done.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's the 4th of July, and today we're gonna look at some fireworks.
Come from the Bronx, them funny to me lifestyle too. Press play, subscribe, vibe with you, nigga.